How to manage push notifications on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage push notifications on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then let's go back and go here and then go settings and privacy and then click this one here, notifications, and now you will see preferences. Click on it and now click this one, push notifications, of course. Click on it and now all to do just click here to turn it off or click on it again to turn it on. And that's how manage push notifications on Twitter. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.